single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be the most important video and every individual must watch it. So this is not a hygiene tip only for women, this is also for men. So both of you should watch this video and take care of the steps I am mentioning in this video. So if you think this is a general hygiene video, it is not, because it's all over the internet and you can watch any video of any YouTuber and get to know all these things. But the points I'm going to say here is very different from the other videos here. So I request you all to watch this video and also share it with your friends and family, so that they are also aware of what I'm gonna say. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. And if you're seeing me for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So before starting with the video, let me self-promote my Instagram page. So if you're not following me on my Instagram page, do follow me on BlushPout. I'm uploading IGTV videos specifically for Instagram, and that content will not be uploaded on my YouTube. So both are different. So if you want to check out my IGTV videos or Instagram page, you can just follow me there, because I am active on Instagram nowadays, and also I share my general opinions and my thoughts on my stories. So if you're interested to join my discussion, or do follow me on my Instagram. So now that I've self-promoted my page, let's get into the video for real. As I told you, you all know all the general hygiene tips which is all over the internet, but do you take care of these 3 spots or parts which I'm going to mention in this video? Just make a note of it. Most of us ignore this part, that is behind our ears. So when you work out, travel and do everything, you sweat a lot. So after work, once you come at the end of the day to your home, you just take a bath and be bindas and go with your routine. This part is going to be a bit disgusting. So when you rub your fingers behind your ears and just smell it or sniff it, what do you feel? If you're getting a pleasant smell, then that's good, and if you're getting unpleasant odor, then that means that you're not concentrating on cleaning this part of your ears, behind your ears. So what causes that bad odor is accumulation of sweat, and also you are using a lot of hair products like hair gel for men. Use a lot of styling gels, and women also use a lot of dry shampoos and many products. Even shampoos and conditioner can be there on your hair sometimes if you do not wash it properly. So all that will settle down near the hairline. So even that will cause that bad odor if you do not wash that away. So concentrate cleaning behind your ears every day. Do not forget that area, and it is very important to clean twice a day. That part should be clean, guys, because if you get some infection over there, it will affect you in the long run. These infections are of high risk, and it might also affect your hearing ability. If you keep that spot unattended, there are chances of getting very bad infections, and also a bad smell might come out of that. That is not pleasant, and that will also affect your personality. So one more cause can be accumulation of products or accumulation of cosmetic items. Use a lot of foundation and we go over your ears and cover all those thing up, but when you wash off your makeup, you do not concentrate on your ear part. So the makeup or the product which you have applied at the starting of the day will still be there near your ear part, because you mostly concentrate on whatever is visible to you in the mirror, right? So you just forget about this, and that accumulation can also cause you infections. And how do you clean that area? That area is really sensitive, so what you have to do is take some micellar water or a clarifying toner in a cotton bud and gently wipe that area off. When you're gently wiping that area off, you can see a lot of dirt coming out. So every single day make sure that you wipe that area clean using a toner, a clarifying toner especially, not a creamy one, a clarifying toner like the Himalaya one, or you can use the general micellar water from Garnier, Nivea. You can use that. Micellar waters are great for your skin. Also, do not forget to clean your earlobe creases. Even that part can accumulate dirt, so make sure that you're cleaning the earlobe creases also along with behind the ears. So the second part you need to concentrate is on your belly button. So do you really think of cleaning your belly button anytime? You need to take special care of that area. I'm not going to go in detail into all that scientific information. So in a layman's language, I'm going to tell you that it is connected to a lot of parts in your body. It is a main source where your health of the entire body is. It is actually a magic place, and you can heal yourself through your belly button. So intensive care is required for that area. So let's bluntly say that your belly button is connected to your face. So the health of your belly button will show on your face or reflect on your face. Okay, also you can cure your facial problems using your belly button as a source. If I'm facing any health issues, especially constipation or pimple issues or chapped lips, my mom used to say apply oil onto your belly button, and when I do that certain times, I feel the change or difference in my skin, and also my problems get sorted out in a day. How do you clean that particular part? This part is very, very sensitive, so make sure you're not using anything chemically produced. So you can use a cotton swab or a cotton bud. It is up to your preference. You can use it dipped in a rose water. Make sure that your rose water does not have any kind of chemical things. You can use a Kama Ayurveda one, or you can prepare your own rose water and use that to clean that area. Take it in a cotton swab and slowly clean that area. I would always ask you to use a cotton bud, so that you have a grip in cleaning that area. Let me give you a few tips on how this heals. So if you apply castor oil or if you apply ghee onto your belly button, inside the belly button, not only outside, before bedtime, in the morning you can see your face is very well moisturized, like you have applied a lot of skincare before. So that is one way of getting moisturized skin. If you are facing chapped and dry lip problems, you can apply mustard oil onto your belly button, and you can see the magic happening. Your dry or chapped lips is no more. If you apply neem oil onto your belly button, it will take care of your pimple and acne. And I have tried it many times, but nowadays I am also neglecting that part, and that is why this is a reminder for me to look into it, because I'm breaking out crazily these days. If you have pigmentation problems in your skin, you can use lemon oil onto your belly button to get rid of all that pigmentation. So belly button, as you can see, is a source for a glowing skin. So do not neglect that area and take care of it. So the last and final part you are neglecting is behind your neck. So how do you know that you are ignoring the area behind your neck? So if you are someone wearing shirts, especially the guys who are wearing shirts, formal shirts, so if you notice a stain on your shirt collar like a dirt, that means that you're ignoring this part of your neck. Nowadays people are living a fast phase of life, so they do not even have enough time to apply soap to that area while bathing. It's nothing but general psychology, because when you look at the mirror, you look only this profile of yourself, and you do not look what is behind here, how is your belly button, all that thing. You do not look at those things. When you get ready, you apply makeup and you wear your dress, you look at your mirror, you look only this profile. It's general that people neglect that part, but what happens is it is a big black mark on your personality. It will affect your personality and it affects people's confidence also. So what I would suggest you is, please take some time and concentrate on cleaning behind your neck at least once a day. So when dirt accumulates in this part, it will cause you again skin infection, skin irritation in the long run. What you can do is you can use a body scrub or a body uptan. You can make a paste and you massage this part in a circular motion, so that this will help in scrubbing out all the dirt from that part or that area. You can also use your body wash and scrub that place using a scrubber or a loofah. And another natural DIY what you can use is, like, you can take a half cut lemon and dip that lemon in sugar crystals. You can use that lemon and scrub your neck well, so that this also will exfoliate. Lemon is the natural brightening and lightening agent, so that will also help you in the long run. I hope this was informative enough, and this will make you aware of these 3 spots in your body. Guys or girls, do not neglect this part. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and also do share it with your loved ones, friends, families, anyone who doesn't know about these things. You can share it with them. It is really informative, and I am creating this video just to make people aware of these things. I am trying to make videos which are include men and women. I am also concentrating on making videos which are useful for men too. If you like to see more of such videos, please give it a thumbs up. So make sure that you share it with your loved ones. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on my social media platforms, which will be listed over here. It's just BlushPout. You can also get the direct links on my description box. You can check out my other videos. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.